About this item: HD Super Anti-Reflective Scratch Resistant Multi-Coated Glass Optics for sharper images. All metal body and hood built tough, withstand extreme usage, produces an extraordinary degree of barrel distortion resulting in a 180-degree angle of view, exaggerates depth, pulling nearby objects closer and causing distant objects to recede into the background. Attaches directly to 58mm camcorders such as Vixia HFS 200, S100, S30, S21, S20, S11, S10, G60, G50, G40, G30, G21, G20, G10, GX10, XA55, XA50, XA45, XA40, XA35, XA30, XA20, XA15, XA11, XA10, XC15, XC10, XF705, XF405, XF400, XF205, XF200, XF105, XF100, GL2, GL1 also attaches directly to the DSR-PD.